If you like spiced cakes, you will love this vintage Louisiana crown cake. It's full of mashed sweet potatoes, which give it an incredibly moist texture and extra sweetness. And no, you can't taste the potatoes. Chopped pecans are added for crunch. Then it's layered with a decadent cream cheese frosting. I don't know who invented this recipe, but this one is a winner for sure. Perfect for Mother's Day or a graduation party, and it's easy to put together, so let's get started. First, mix together the dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon salt, and about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg. You can also add cloves, but I didn't have any. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add 2 cups of sugar. Add 1.25 cups of a neutral oil, and whisk till creamy. Then add 4 eggs, one at a time. Mix in each egg only until it is no longer visible. Do not overmix. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and mix. Now add 2 cups of mashed sweet potatoes. I roasted 2 big sweet potatoes and that yielded 2 cups. Mix. Now add a 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans. Now sift in the dry ingredients and mix with a wire whisk or spatula just until combined. Pour the batter into 2 9-inch greased and floured and parchment-lined pans or a prepared bundt pan and bake in a 350-degree oven until the toothpick comes out clean or with moist crumbs. Mine baked for about 30 minutes. Cool completely before frosting. For the frosting, combine 1 stick of softened butter with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and mix till creamy. Then sift in 4 cups of powdered sugar. Mix. I recommend sifting in 1 cup of sugar at a time. Add vanilla if you like. The original recipe also includes chopped pecans in the frosting. Place a cake layer topside down on a cake stand. Spread with half of the frosting in an even layer. Then place the next cake layer top side up and frost as before. Briefly refrigerate to firm up the frosting. And then slice and serve. Enjoy.